Acadiana Live is brought to you by Acadiana Elder Law Clinic.
Joining us in studio right now, we have David Groner with Acadiana Elder Law. Okay, thank you so much for being here.
Great. It's good to be here, Taylor.
So we're kind of tackled a little bit of trusts a few weeks ago. We're learning now more about trusts. I always thought that you had to have a ton of money, you had to be a millionaire in order to get a trust.
That's a misconception. Although I have to say it started off with millionaires doing trusts because they were trying to avoid taxes. But now a lot of people, middle-class America, is realizing that in order to protect their estate from losing it to a nursing home as we get older, the best way to do that and to avoid probate is to do a trust. And it's really not that hard. A trust, we do a total package, a trust, power of attorneys, a living will, and then a new last will and testament. It's all part of the same package. But by doing a trust, you can actually cause Medicaid, a government program, to step in and pay all the costs of a nursing home without depleting your estate. Your estate becomes bulletproof after 5 years. You'll learn about this phrase called the 5-year look-back period.
Okay.
And that's what a Medicaid says. We will let you do an irrevocable trust, and we will respect it, but we're going to make sure we're going to penalize you if you've given away any assets in the past 5 years. So we really need to get that done now so that 5 years can go by and then your whole estate becomes bulletproof. It'll go to your heirs just as you planned without being depleted due to a catastrophic event like going to a nursing home, which 70% of us after 65 are scheduled to do. Yeah. Admit it or not.
And I had no idea about the 5-year look-back plan in regards to this.
Yeah. It's, I guess what Medicaid's saying is, look, we're going to respect the irrevocable trust, but we're not going to let you create one and the next day go in the nursing home. We're going to create a distance. Now, well, unfortunately, like in California, it's only 3 years. Go figure. But Louisiana, we're a full 5 years that needs to go by. Now, look, if you go 4 years and then have to go to a nursing home, you're only penalized at 1 year. So each year you knock off is another year closer to full protection. And that's really the biggest thing that can destroy a family's inheritance. Because what happens, they'll go through all your savings, all your IRA to the nursing home, and then Medicaid will pay. But then when they finish, guess what they'll do? They'll come back and lien your house, your home, for what they've paid. So it just is a big, and then your children have to deal with that. And lose their inheritance.
And this way they're at least protected in some way.
This way they're protected, they don't have to go through probate. You're doing your kids a favor when you do a trust.
Absolutely.
You're not really doing a big favor when you do a will.
And we're almost out of time, but if our friends at home want to learn more, they want to contact you for a consultation or visit you at one of your workshops around Acadiana, where can they go?
Well, the best way is call the number on the screen and either make a personal appointment at the Lafayette office or the New Iberia office, or come to a workshop. Those are a lot of fun. People really enjoy it. We have great audience participation, and you